In this video, I'm going to show you how you can write directly to YouTube or send feedback to YouTube if you have a YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go and enter YouTube Studio for your channel, and I'll go to YouTube Studio by clicking on my account and then click on YouTube Studio. Now from YouTube Studio here, if you scroll down just next after settings, we have an option to send feedback. If you click on it, you'll have to allow cookies, and once you have allowed cookies, now you can go ahead and describe your problem or give your feedback here. So I'll go ahead and write my issue or give feedback. For instance, I just want to appreciate, and then maybe it was an issue and you have an attachment. You can upload a file or a screenshot that will help them better understand your feedback. Once you're done, now you have to acknowledge that we may email you for information or updates. Once you're done, now go ahead and click on send, and this will go ahead and be sent to YouTube team. And here we go, the report has been sent. And as you can see, we use feedback like keywords to help fix issues and improve Google services. So if you had a problem or a complaint, it will be captured, and therefore this will be used to make changes and also to help them maybe get in touch with you. So once you're done, now you can close and your feedback will have been received. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.